Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to play with friends in Survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Survivor.io application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and play with friends in Survivor.io. So as of 2026, you cannot directly play Survivor.io's main game in real time with friends. The old local co-op mode is that let you two players play together was removed by developers and it has not returned yet. So the current situation is that you can only go and add friends. So basically by going to the top left corner, here we have your player ID, which you need to go and share with your friends so they can be of course go and add you. And you can join the same clan. So there's no live co-op gameplay and no online multiplayer with friends. And that's basically that. If something changes, of course, we'll make a separate video about the update. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.